Hello everyone, my name is Charles Cameron Mendoza and I am from BSHM 116. For this video, I watched an interesting YouTube video about the Internet of Things or IoT. The video covered various IoT applications and how they are changing the way we interact with technology in our daily lives, from smart homes to connected devices. It showed how IoT is becoming part of modern living. In this reaction, I'll be dividing into what IoT technology is, its benefits and drawbacks, and my own thoughts on whether I would use it in my own life. In the video, I saw different IoT devices in action. It showed how smart home technology works, like how a thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your preferences, how lights can be controlled remotely, and even how security cameras allow you to monitor your home from anywhere. The IoT system works by using sensors and networks to collect and exchange data. These devices communicate with one another through the internet, making our homes and devices smarter and more interconnected. Advantages: convenience is one of the biggest benefits of IoT is the convenience it offers. For example, being able to control your home's temperature or lights with your voice or phone app is extremely convenient, especially when you're running late or just want to save energy without thinking about it. For example, improve quality of life. IoT has the potential to improve health too. For instance, wearable devices track health metrics like heart rate and step taken, which can help monitor their well-being and make necessary life changes. Disadvantage: security risk. While IoT brings a lot of benefits, it also poses security risk. Since these devices are connected to the internet, they can be vulnerable to hacking. For example, if a hacker gains control of your smart home system, they would compromise your security or privacy. Privacy and concern. Another downside is privacy. IoT devices often collect personal data, such as routines or location. This information can be used for marketing purposes or worse. It could be leaked or misused if not protected properly. My personal insights. As for whether I would use IoT in my daily life, I'm definitely open to it, but with some reservation. I think the convenience of controlling my home environment remotely or tracking my health through wearables could be a game changer. However, I would be cautious about my privacy and security concerns. I'd make sure to use trusted brands and I'd carefully monitor the data my device collect. So I'd say I'd willing to incorporate some IoT into my life, but I need to ensure I'm making the necessary precautions. IoT technology has a lot to offer, from convenience and efficiency to improve quality of life. However, it also comes with significant challenges such as security risks, privacy issues, and the potential for over-reliance on technology. While IoT can improve our daily lives, it is essential to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect our personal information and security. My final opinion. In my opinion, IoT is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, making things easier and more efficient. On the other hand, without proper safeguards, it could be lead to significant privacy and security concerns. So, IoT can be a great tool for society, but it needs to be handled security to avoid negative consequences. In the end, it's up to us to ensure that IoT serves us without compromising our security and privacy.